The Arts and Culture Commission, our goal is to use art to create deeply connected communities. And what that really means is making Arvada a really great place for artists to live and work, and also making art experiences accessible and surrounding people who live here. Really, our vision is to have some kind of art experience happen within 10 minutes of every residence in Arvada. So Babe Walls, maybe 3 years ago, Babe Walls is a big sort of collaborative mural festival that's put on by this group called Babe Walls that was lucky enough to come to Arvada, and the Arts and Culture Commission helped fund it and organize it and make it happen. We saw an opportunity, knowing that we would have to make some repairs to this wall anyway, to maybe refresh and have a new mural in that space. And we're really lucky to get to work with an artist named Danielle SeeWalker, who was part of the original Babe Walls a couple of years back.
So as an artist, you know, people that kind of know my art know that I always am inspired by my culture, my heritage, my current walk of life and experiences as a Native woman. So I really love color, I love pop art, and I kind of like to fuse like my culture in those different aspects. And so I really wanted to do something fun, something very bold, which is the mural behind me, with these like fun pop art type women with these wild braids, but also wanted to incorporate Dakota floral, which is a floral design and pattern that you see here that is very ancient and found in a lot of our beadwork from hundreds of years ago. And the mural towards the very end, there's kind of two pieces to it, are very traditional, very symbolic, have a lot of meaning in them, and are also inspired by being a Lakota person. Tana Goodhouse, the other artist, he was the one that really executed and designed that mural. And the main piece of that is really special is one that tells the life of a warrior from birth to death.
Joining a board or commission like the Arts and Culture Commission is just a really wonderful way to give back to your community, to learn a lot more about how city government happens, to meet really passionate people who have things in common with you. Arts and Culture Commission is a pretty special commission, but there are all types that cover things like Parks and Rec and festivals, and depending on what your interests are. And it's all volunteer based, so the more people who are involved and connected with their communities, the more work we can get done and the more ideas that are coming in the door.